What's up? So today we're in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, the Menominee Park. There's a zoo behind us over here, and a bridge here, fishing pier over here. There's a lot of trash in the water. So we got Jason over here, and his son Darius. They're going to be picking up trash up here, and I'm going to be picking up trash, shoving it in there. It's a good day to pick up trash. Let's get trashy. There's a muskrat hole, huh? Oh, right there! It's not a muskrat, it's this guy here. Well, hopefully there's no gators in here. Just kidding. Yeah. Harmonica. I love playing harmonica. Awesome. First one I found. It's so muddy out there. I can put my whole arm down there and I still can't touch bottom. Oh, you guys are filling up fast. How's your back feeling? You sore? I know. I found a plastic in here too. There we go. A Jick Jack, America's finest. Never saw that before. Oh. Yeah, cool. Oh, cool. Oh yeah. Oh look. Oh. Oh no. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Oh, geez. One for the homies. The garbage poker stick. Yeah. My wave filt's coming off. Huh? Look at that. Uptown. That thing is heavy. Delicious and wholesome, sparkling. Oshkosh, Wisconsin, Coke bottle. Howdy. Thanks. Got about 200 psi of air left. Darius. Never mind. Bad joke. So here's all the stuff we all got today. In there, got a boat motor head there. Some trash in there, trash in there, a lot of trash. Good job, guys. Good father-son time, huh? At the Menominee Park. Coot from Coot's Lures told us to come down here and clean up. Got some cleanup done. I just want to show you what we all found after I laid it out. Got a bunch of aluminum cans right here from underwater. I also found this really big magnet here under the bridge. Found this little thing, pretty cool, whatever that is. Found a big chain link here, piece of copper, some fishing bait here, some plastics. Found a little forceps, some glasses, a couple lures. My first ever harmonica that I found in the water. Piece of a cell phone, whatever this is here, a hanger, a ball. Got a bunch of bottles here. Favorite one right here, Coca-Cola from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Check it out. Got another Coke bottle right here. Got a really big Coke bottle right here. Some other bottles here. This one says Uptown on it, and this one says Jack, I believe. This here is all the trash that Jason and Darius pulled out right here. Look at all that. A lot of trash they pulled off the water. Pretty cool. They did an awesome job. This heavy thing right here, this Evinrude motor, I tried to clean it off a little bit, but it says Evinrude on there. As you can see, this is an old motor. Glad I could get it out of there. There's still gasoline in here, so I can get that out of the water. Right here, somebody might have had a bad day. There's underwear in the water, and I found this cool rock. I had to pull that out. Pretty neat. All in all, it was an awesome dive. Glad I went down there. A couple hour drive there and back, but well worth it. Got some exercise. Got to get out with Jason and Darius today. Beautiful day, and you know, there's so much more stuff to be cleaned up down there, just like many other cities, many other towns, and I'm trying to get to them little by little. Kind of want to see if this thing still works. Do I put my lips on it? Nope, doesn't work. This one works.